Namaste friends. In this video, we will learn how to write a negative sentence in present habitual tense. It is simple, easy to understand, but very important. To give examples, I am going to use the verb bolna. Bolna. Bolna means to speak. As we have already learned that bolna can take three forms in this tense: bolta, bolte and bolti, followed by the auxiliary verb hona. ठीक है? Now let's see how does it look in a negative sentence. Here we can see two sentences. मैं हिंदी बोलता हूँ. मैं हिंदी बोलता हूँ. I speak हिंदी. मैं जापानी नहीं बोलता. I do not speak Japanese. Now here we can see two differences. One is addition of nahi just before the main verb. And the second is elimination of the verb hona. Okay, so the first change is addition of nahi before the main verb. The second change is elimination of the auxiliary verb hona. मैं हिंदी बोलता हूँ. मैं जापानी नहीं बोलता. Now this was the case of masculine singular bolta. Now let's see the case of feminine. राधा हिंदी बोलती है. राधा speaks Hindi. राधा जापानी नहीं बोलती. Radha does not speak Japanese. Now talking about the plural forms, or we can say the formal forms. मेरे पिताजी हिंदी बोलते हैं. My father speaks Hindi. All of us know that when we want to give more respect to a person, we have to use the plural form. मेरे पिताजी हिंदी बोलते हैं. My father speaks Hindi. The second is मेरे पिताजी जापानी नहीं बोलते. My father does not speak Japanese. So the only difference again is addition of nahi and removal of the auxiliary verb hain. Now the last one is female plural or female with more respect, formal. मेरी मम्मी हिंदी बोलती हैं. मेरी मम्मी हिंदी बोलती हैं. My mother speaks Hindi. मेरी मम्मी जापानी नहीं बोलती. My mother does not speak Japanese. Now why I have colored this green is that here the main verb does not remain the same. In the first three cases, bolta was same in the positive and negative, bolti was same in positive and negative, bolte was same in positive and negative, but here we have bolti in the positive sentence, but we have added a nasal sound at the end in the negative sentence. मेरी मम्मी जापानी नहीं बोलती. This dot. बोलती. Now, why is there a need of adding this nasal sound at the end of the negative sentence for female plural? In case of masculine, we have two separate words. Bolta for singular, bolte for plural or formal. We have bolti both for singular and plural. So if we don't put this nasal sound, the sentence will sound equal. राधा जापानी नहीं बोलती. मेरी मम्मी जापानी नहीं बोलती. If I pronounce this bolti without the nasal sound at the end, it would sound like I'm talking without respect. That's why, to show more respect, we have transferred the nasal sound of hai to bolti. Let's see another set of examples. बच्चा खेलता है. The kid plays. Talking about a male kid. बच्चा नहीं खेलता. The kid does not play. talking about a female kid. बच्ची खेलती है, बच्ची नहीं खेलती. Now coming to plurals. बच्चे खेलते हैं, the kids play. बच्चे नहीं खेलते, the kids don't play. Female kids. बच्चियां खेलती हैं, बच्चियां नहीं खेलती. Can you hear the difference between बच्ची नहीं खेलती and बच्चियां नहीं खेलती? Since you are not a native speaker, it might be difficult for you to pronounce these nasal sound in the first time. But you can hear the difference. And you also know the difference between the informal and the formal, or the singular and the plural form. The next comes the homework. Here are 6 sentences that you have to translate to Hindi. My brothers don't play football. Vijay's sister does not write stories. Ankur does not sleep at night. My uncle doesn't eat mangoes. We don't sing Russian songs. Here we is female. We don't sing Russian songs. We is male. Please attempt this homework. Your mistakes will come out and you will improve. Practice is always good for learning a language.